Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung IconX 2018 edition. So the first thing that you want to do once you get this is to pair them up with your device, whether that be a PC or an iPhone, or in this case it's going to be a Samsung Galaxy S8. So what you're going to have to do is once the buds are actually inside of the cradle, you press and hold the Bluetooth button. It'll start to alternate between green, red and blue, which means that it's on discovery mode. Once that is happening, all you do is you go onto your phone and you turn the Bluetooth on, of course. It'll start to scan like so, and then all you do is it's just as simple as selecting it, giving the appropriate permissions. So we're going to allow to go into the device, make calls. So it needs to do this because you can actually answer calls and stuff. Okay, so then it'll go through setting up your phone, which essentially will be to link the earbuds to this app itself, and then it'll bring up the app. So it'll just say it'll want you to give access to the app to your calendar, which is fine, SMS, and that's because when it uses you can actually control your phone via the earbuds themselves. So you hit finish and then you set up the notifications and all that kind of stuff, which we'll pass through, and so this is what you'll see. So now the LED has stopped, and then you've obviously get the icon on the top. You got the icon on the top, so whenever the buds are connected, you're going to have this icon and you can go into the app from there, and then obviously you've got the rest of the things there. So that was just a quick look at how to connect and pair the Samsung IconX 2018 edition. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.